Kuramo Capital Management Company has been appointed as the fund manager for the enterprise financing facility in Ethiopia following a competitive bidding process. The independent firm, founded in 2010 and based in Kenya, will oversee the management and establishment of the $100 million blended finance facility that will provide financial support for Ethiopia's small and medium enterprises. The firm will also provide global investment services to institutional clients and high-net-worth individuals. Annabelle Obala has more.
As the pioneering funds for sub-Saharan Africa, Kuramo Capital, the leading anchor investment for almost 15 years, has been selected as the fund manager for the enterprise financing facility in Ethiopia, with sponsorship from the United Nations Development and the National Bank of Ethiopia.
Such capital actually serves as a major catalyst that also attracts additional capital to such markets, and hopefully to catalyze other funds that can come into the market and be able to be deployed into that country.
The $100 million kitty will help fund the SMEs in Ethiopia as well as innovative startups in the country. According to the Chief Executive Officer of the company, Shaka Karaoke, majority of its investment are in Kenya, a testament of Kuramo's ability and innovative ways of mobilizing capital across the African markets. The company's immediate focus will ensure that funds are put into operation by the first half of the year 2025.
We have a lot of buy-in from the government, from UNDP, from the regulators. They want to see this succeed, and they're being deliberate in driving this change so that ultimately they can change and bring capital into the SME and startup ecosystem.
In addition to that, the company also received a special recognition award for investing in Transsector Public Limited Company with a focus on infrastructure at this year's Private Equity Africa Awards held in London, the United Kingdom.
Transsector is a good example of having gone through the process, our investment process.
The company will also expand its supporting women-owned businesses to curb the issue of gender inequality.
At Kuramo, what we have done is decided to go out there and start a product that is actually going to invest in women-owned private equity firms.
200 companies in 30 sub-Saharan African countries, including Kenya and Nigeria, have benefited from the funds that have significantly raised over $3.5 billion investment in Africa.
And while we are celebrating...
Annabelle Obala, Citizen TV, Nairobi.